Hello YouTube, my name is Daniel. This is my first video. I plan on making videos to help people. I'm a very fortunate person in life, but I feel like I make a lot of my own luck. So I've been having an issue with the Blu-ray player Fan NG on a Samsung. If you own one, you probably know what I'm talking about. That they kick out regularly. It's a common problem. I talked to Samsung. They didn't know what to do about it. I talked to like Future Shop. They didn't know what to do about it. So the first time it happened to me, I was able to get a new Blu-ray player, and because it was still under warranty. But after 3 years, the second Blu-ray player did the exact same thing. So it was either throw it out, pay another like $300 for a new system, or figure out how to fix it myself. So it's actually quite simple. I kept looking online and it was all the same thing. Like they were thinking it was software issues. It's not. It's a hardware issue. So this probably looks really daunting. It's totally not. Okay. So you close this up. I'll do it real quick. Sorry, my office is full of Christmas junk. So you close this, you get the fan no good. With this out, I just checked it out. I got off a night shift, so I got home and the package was ready for me. It'll show fan no good, okay, with it in or with it out. Okay, so same problem. It's not like you can unplug it, and it'd probably be a fire hazard that way. But if you look here, to pop this open, super simple. I'm not going to go through all the gritty details, but 1, 2, 3. 3 screws. That whole thing pops off. You can't push it too far because you have a electronical strip here. You don't want to tear that off. That shows your display. So, or no, those are your buttons. So, that is exactly where that plugs in. It's this connector, and you literally just have to press on that top part, and it pops right out. Very simple. This is exactly where your fan is housed. Okay, it's 2 little screws. Unscrew those, and it pops right out. Okay, fits in like that. Pop that out. So this part goes outward. So basically, I went on Amazon and I typed in those numbers. Okay, got the exact same fan. Now, unfortunately, the fan that like this is the new fan, but the connector was a little different, so it doesn't plug in. Now, all I did was I literally just fed these in so that they're all the connections are touching, just to test to see if it would work, or else I'd have to send it back. Anyway, that plugged back into there, and then I left it running. I left it running like 10 minutes. Never had the fan no good. The sign come up. It ran. So basically, it worked. Now, to buy a new system, it'd be like $300. They can't repair it. Nobody's repairing it. This cost, I think, $30 on Amazon. So it's literally that simple. If you know, like, I'm personally going to solder it, and I'm going to use shrink wrap in order to do like a professional job. I'm not a professional electronic. I'm not a professional anything. I'm a healthcare professional, but that's it. I dabble in all these things. So, but if you really didn't know what you were doing, all you would have to do is strip these, take a really sharp like X-Acto knife, strip them just a little bit so they're about this long. You could twist them and then put electrical tape on it, then plug it right back in the same way you found it. It could be that simple. So literally, that's all you need to do in order to fix the fan no good. Go on Amazon. You have to be a little patient because I got this from China. Took a few weeks to send in, but there's your fix right there. So $20, $30 fix. By the way, if you try and order it from Samsung, it's going to be like $68 plus tax. So go be patient. Okay, old bull principle. I'll tell you all about that in a little bit, but that's how you fix the Samsung no good. This is Daniel Cameron signing off. Good luck, and I'll be back.